Hello, hello. I am Alicia Richard and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't done so, make sure that you subscribe so that you never miss any videos like this. Before we hop right on in, I must share my favorite juice. In today's juice, it is actually some kale, some celery, and some pears. So make sure that you are eating healthy while you are creating content online. Today I want to talk all about how to prompt ChatGPT for your short form videos. If you haven't been using ChatGPT already, I would highly encourage you to use it. However, you have to know how to prompt it, and this video will give you all the details on how to prompt ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT all about your niche. Now, when you are talking about your niche, is it a 35-year-old female? Is she married? Or is it someone that wants to know how to start their business? So when you are prompting ChatGPT, you need to say, hey, act as my copywriter. Always make sure that you are giving ChatGPT a role so that it can know what it is that you are wanting it to generate. So when you tell it to act as your copywriter, you are asking ChatGPT to play the role for you so that it could actually generate the content ideas. So if you want a full month of content, you say, hey, act as my copywriter and give me 30 video ideas that relate around this specific niche, and then you will put whatever your niche is. So make sure that you are as specific as you can when it comes to telling them the topics that you want to cover, by letting them know who your avatar is, if they're married, if they are a mother of two, or a mother of three. Make sure that you are very descriptive so that when those 30 content ideas are generated, it would be specifically for your ideal client. From those 30 video prompts that it has prompted for you, you need to then ask ChatGPT you need to select which topic that you want to talk about. And whatever topic that you want to talk about for that day, ask ChatGPT to write a script for you. Now, within ChatGPT writing your script, remember that you want to make your script as personalized as you can so that your script could not just relate to yourself, but also to your ideal audience who you are wanting to talk to. So when you are prompting ChatGPT to write your script, make sure that you let them know, hey, I want to sound friendly or persuasive, or I want it to be funny or humorous. Give it different adjectives so that it could describe the type of script that you want within your videos, and then that way you could have your script. When you are reading over the script and learning your script, make sure that the script also sounds like you, because the last thing you want to do is to have a script and it does not sound like your voice. So that's why you want to say, hey, I want to sound friendly, or I want to sound authoritative, or I want to sound like an expert. Make sure that you let ChatGPT know, who do you want to sound like when it comes to creating your content? Do you want it to be more southern, or do you want it to be direct, or do you want it to be salesy? So keep all of these ideas in mind when you are asking AI to generate your video script. Also, when you are doing your script, make sure, especially for shorts, that you keep your script short and simple and cut out any of the words that are unnecessary. Because when people are scrolling on social media, they want you to get straight to the point. So cut out any filler words that may be within your video script that ChatGPT has prompted for you. So now we are to the place where ChatGPT has given you 30 video ideas. You looked over those 30 video ideas. You picked out the topic that you wanted to record on. Now it is time for you to ask ChatGPT to write your description for your videos. Now the description could be, the description and the word caption could be used interchangeably depending on the platform that you are posting your video on. But you could say, based on the above prompt, write a description for my audience. When you are telling ChatGPT to write your description, you need to make sure that you are telling them, hey, this description is for moms, or a busy mom, or a busy woman, or a busy man, or make sure that you are very descriptive. Make sure that you tell ChatGPT how many characters that you want within that description, because some of the Some of the social media platforms will allow you to have a 5,000 word count or less, or 200 or 300 words. So make sure that you say within this caption, I want you to add whatever it is, right? I like to tell Chat GPT to add emojis to the caption because I like my captions to look fun. Also, make sure that you tell Chat GPT to give you a call to action. That call to action is something that you want your viewers to do at the end of the video. Do you want them to schedule a discovery call? Do you want them to follow for more? Do you want them to leave you a comment? So make sure that you are telling ChatGPT exactly what you want when it is writing your caption, and then that way your topic, your video, and the description of your video will all match, and that is how you can create content for social media and have it really on repeat. But remember, the key component to using AI or Ask AI or Chat GPT is to be as descriptive as you can, because the last thing that you want to do is sound like somebody else. For more tips on how to grow your personal brand on social media, make sure that you follow for more. And I am Alicia Richard.